What is clustered water? Well, water exists in a glass like what we have here. The water molecule is random. And when I say random, the way that the water is linked together, in water itself as a liquid, the molecules are paired. So it becomes 2H2O, meaning that the water molecule comes in pairs. And the reason for that is that's the most stable form that water can exist. However, those pairs also form other groups. So they hold hands in probably no less than, say, 400 molecules at a time, and we call this clustering. So ordinary tap water has a cluster, but it's a random cluster. We can organize the water so it becomes self-organizing by doing various things to it, such as spinning it, causing it to come in close to an artificial magnetic field, exposing it to light, infrared, and so on. Water clustering that is beneficial to the human body. Remember I spoke earlier about spring water. Why is spring water so beneficial? The way spring water is developed within the aquifer or the substrata of the earth, water develops, it matures like a wine, and water takes on atomic frequency imprinting from material like granite and other stones, and it imparts an energy field which causes the water to change and hold hands in a pattern. We call this clustering. Now the prime element that initiates the clustering process is silica. Silica has an infinity with water, and all of us know about quartz crystals. Well, quartz crystal is silica and water. That's all it is in a solid state. So by allowing water to move, the water moves and passes through the Earth's magnetic field. Therefore, it will develop a charge by that motion. That motion induces generally a positive charge and causes it to act upon the Earth's gravitational field, causing it to rise to the surface of the Earth. And that's the reason why it's so important to drink clustered water wherever it's possible. The more water becomes exposed to sunlight or artificial light, heat, and so on, it becomes corrupted. So these clusters, these become broken up, lose their charge, and the water technically becomes dead in the sense that the body doesn't want to deal with it. So it will actually rob the body of energy instead of imparting it. I believe this is a very important mechanism in the field of cosmetics, in rehydrating the skin, for example, to maintain the charge level within the water itself that's used in making up the cosmetics is very important to give you that lovely velvety effect that we're all after.